$200, $600, and even $1,000 paid out in one day by just clicking. You can make up to $30 per click, and you can make money online watching ads in 2022 just like this, again and again by simply clicking on ads. This is a new ads watching job, so pay close attention. Now step number 1, all you have to do is click on the ads. For example, this is actually one banner ad and I can just click on that. And then step number 2, I will have to wait for 10 seconds right here on this page and I don't have to do anything. Step number 3, boom, you make money. That's exactly how people from different countries in the world are able to get paid by simply clicking on ads. This is a free site and you don't have to invest any money. This is available worldwide in all countries in the world. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with an internet connection to make this work. And in the first step, I will show you how you can make money online by watching ads. In the second step, I will show you how you can earn more than $30 per hour using my secret method. And in the third step, I will show you how you can make up to $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot, just like all of these guys who are able to earn more money than others. And this is something I have never seen other people talking about. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with notification bell on. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can be one of the first to use it. And of course, make the most money online in 2022. So let's start the video. The first step is to come over to this website, which will help us to make money online by watching ads in 2022. I will reveal the name of this site in a minute, but before that, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Provide some details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want PayPal, you can also set up your own bank account online by searching for online bank accounts in my country and signing up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. If you don't already know the website, you can look in the description. There will be a link to join the website. Or you can join by simply going to addaclicks.net. But very important, if you don't watch this video till the end, you will not make any money. Or even if you make money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account. So it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to avoid all the mistakes and successfully cash out your earnings. As you can see, here you can earn extra cash for all the online activities. You can do different high-paying surveys. You can participate in different contests. You can complete different offers or refer other people or do task bonuses. But more importantly, what I want to show you right now in this video is to focus on viewing ads, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, I will show you this in a minute. They are super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can see the total payout today is around $30,000. There are over 100,000 users registered right now on this website, and they also show you all the previous withdrawals from all the people who are cashing out money from the site, and they show their username, their country, and their payment method. And the best part is you can cash out all your earnings in many different payment options. Say, for example, if you want to pay out on PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Bitcoin, Skrill, or even Faucet Pay. And real quick, for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country and let me know your preferred payment method in your country. Now, in just a second, I will show you exactly how to make money online watching ads on the site, so make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on this. But before that, let me show you something. As you can see here, they show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday, there are a lot of people already cashing out their money. Now you can see here with the username, they are basically from different countries, and they're able to earn real money on this website easily by just clicking on ads. As you can see here, the total amount paid is around $30,000, and people individually have withdrawn up to $200, $600, and even more than $1,000 by simply clicking on websites. And everyone and anyone can do this without any experience. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this register button, and from there you will be taken to this page. Now you have to just type your full name, your email address, And right here, you can choose and create whatever username that you want, create a password, submit your birth year and your birthplace, and then fill in this caption in this box, and finally agree to the terms of service and click on this register button. Once you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Now I want you to hover your mouse on Earn Money and click on the View Advertisement. It's going to take you over to this page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the daily ads, promotion ads, standard ads, and micro ads. The prices here are low because right now I'm not in a very ad-friendly place. In a minute, I will show you how you earn $30 per hour, even if you are not at an ad-friendly location, and make money online watching ads in 2022. But for now, I want to show you the process of how this works. So let's click on this ad here that's going to take you over to another website, and all you have to do is to wait there for more than 7 seconds, or as mentioned on this offer. And while you are on the site, you have to scroll up and down on the site so that the website doesn't assume that you are a bot. You can see on the top of this website a time bar. Just wait for this bar to complete loading, and after that, you can close the site and the money will be credited to your account. Now you can click on all other ads showing here and make money online watching ads. Also, if you want to, you can complete these daily surveys on the top of this page and can earn more than 100 cents per survey you complete, where 100 cents is equal to $1, and most of these surveys are paying more than $1. Next, I want to show you something special, and for this I want you to click on the contest option on the top of the site, and here on this site you can see the rules and prizes of this contest here. Complete it, and you will get a chance to win an extra 30% of your total earnings. But to earn these prizes, you have to follow my $30 per click secret method. Now, for the second step of earning $30 per hour, I want you to click on My Account on the top right corner and come to your dashboard. Now I want you to click on Daily Offers right here, and that's going to take you over to this page. If you scroll down on this page, you can see that you can earn way more than just viewing ads. There are many offers like this. For example, if you click on this ad offer right here, you can earn up to $12 for just completing a simple task. And by this method, you can make way more than what I said earlier. To earn over $30 per hour, this is as simple as it gets. You can find different ad offers right here, which you can complete and earn more than $30 per hour. But real quick, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. Now for the third step to earn $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. You have to come over to my account again and click on that. And on this page, I want you to click on affiliate banners from the left-hand side. That's going to show you this page. Now this will be a referral link that you can use to refer others and make money on autopilot. Alternatively, you can also use the banners if you want to promote it through banner ads. You can choose the banner from 9 different banners available here. And after selecting the banner, you can copy its link from this box right under the banners. So on one side, you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can make money on autopilot in 2022. And this is a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money online by watching ads, and you're able to earn referral commissions on complete autopilot. And this is one of the best ways to make money on ad clicks, other than simply clicking on ads. Now just copy your link from here and start sharing this link to Facebook Make Money online groups. Also, you can use other social media platforms like Reddit, Quora, etc. Thanks for watching. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.